Hi students, today I will tell you about graph. What is graph? In every chapter you will have graph. What is x-axis? Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Intersecting point of these two axes, x and y axis, is called origin 0 0. How to plot the points, how to draw a line in the graph, you should know. In every chapter you will have graph, and now you see how to plot the points in the graph, how to draw a line, all you will know the graph. It will be very useful if you know about graph. Hi students, second chapter polynomials, topic 3 is zeros of polynomial, geometrical meaning, graphs. Before going to draw the graphs, you should know about graph. In this graph, horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Intersecting point of these two axes is origin. This is represented by 0 0. This point is 0 0. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus 2 1 2 3, like this we have real numbers. Now this graph is divided into 4 parts: Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. First quadrant, Q1 is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. You see on x-axis, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Here you see this is 1 square centimeter. This 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. This is divided into 10 parts. Each part is 1 millimeter. And this is also divided into 10 parts. Each part is 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. In centimeters, it is 1 centimeter square, 1 square centimeter area will be. In millimeters, it is 10 into 10, 10 millimeters into 10 millimeters, 100 square millimeters, 100 square millimeters. Now, this is 1 centimeter, you understand. See, these are all are real numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, like this. These are real numbers. If you see them, you think they are integers. They are integers, but also real numbers. See, between 2 and 3, you will have many real numbers. You take this point, this is 2.5. This point is 2.50, means distance from here to here, the distance is 2.5. 2.5 means 25 by 10, means 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 by 2. See, this point, this distance is 5 by 2, means 2.5. 2.5. 5 by 2 means it is a real number, rational number. It is a real number. Between 2 and 3, you will have many real numbers. You see, 2.1, 2, between 2 and 3, you will have many real numbers: 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.9, 3. Between 2.2, 2.1 and 2.2, you will have infinite real numbers. Between 2 and 3, you will have infinite real numbers. Between 2.1 and 2.2, you will have infinite real numbers: 2.12, 2.13, 2.14, like that. Between 2.12 and 2.13, you will have infinite real numbers: 2.123, like that, 2.124, like that. See, these, you remember, these are real numbers. These are also real numbers. This is intersecting point of x and y axis is origin. Now this is divided into 4 parts, 4 quadrants. See, I am taking a point A here. This distance is 3. This is x coordinate, this is first coordinate, this is x coordinate and y coordinate, x and y. See, this is positive and also 3 is positive, 4 is also positive. I am taking this point A, this point 3, 4. This point is at a distance of 3 units from y-axis. 3 units, this is the x coordinate. This is x coordinate, but 3 point A is 3 units from y-axis and 4 units from x-axis. This is x coordinate, but the distance of this point will be 3 units from y-axis and 4 units from x-axis. And you take this point is minus 5, 2. This distance is minus 5. This distance is 2. See, minus 5, 2. B is minus 5, 2. The point B is at a distance of 5 units from y-axis and 2 units from x-axis. You minus 4, 3. Minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 3. Distance will be 4 and 3 units. Say minus 4, minus 3. Minus, minus. If you want to plot a point minus 3, minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. You see, minus 3 is here, minus 4 is downwards. Upwards 4, downwards minus 4. This is minus 3 and minus 4. If you want to plot a point 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3 will be here. Now you see, now 3, 4, this is positive, plus plus, 3 is positive, this is greater than 0, that's why x coordinate is greater than 0, y coordinate is greater than 0, because y is positive, that is 4. Now this is minus 5 in second quadrant, minus 5, 2. Means x coordinate is negative, x is less than 0, y coordinate is 2, positive, y is greater than 0. 2 is greater than 0 now, that's why. You see, you take a point C, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3. X coordinate is negative, y coordinate also negative, minus, minus. Now, x is less than 0, y is also less than 0. Both are negative. Here you see 6, point D, 6 minus 2. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate also, y coordinate is negative. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, because minus 2 is less than 0, x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. Before going to draw the graphs, you should know about graphs, types of polynomials. This is linear, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. See, what is the standard form of linear polynomial? P of x equal to ax plus b. A is not equal to 0, a, b are real numbers. A is non-zero real number. See, you observe the linear polynomial, it is a straight, linear polynomial is a straight line, it is in the form of P of x is equal to ax plus b. Here a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, straight line, the line, linear polynomial, graph of the linear polynomial, which is a is greater than 0, will be like this. It is passing through this point, x-axis at a, and negative, this will be negative. If you take a p of x equal to ax plus b, then it is passing through minus b by a, 0, because what is the 0 polynomial? Ax plus b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. X coordinate is minus b by a, and what is y coordinate? 0, because p of x is equal to 0, minus b by a, 0. This will be ax minus b. This is the straight line linear polynomial which is in the form of ax minus b. It is passing through b by a, plus b by a 0, because what is the 0 polynomial? 0 is equal to ax minus b. Ax is equal to b. X is equal to b by a. X, p of x. X is b by a and p of x will be here. I have substituted now. What is the 0 polynomial? There is value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. This is b by a, it is passing through ax minus b, passing through b by a 0, because b by a is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, see, if you take this is ax, a is greater than 0, when if p of x equal to ax plus b, that is a linear polynomial. If p of x is equal to minus ax plus b, a is less than 0, the graph will be like this. This is p of x is equal to minus ax plus b, and this will be p of x is equal to minus ax minus b. Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is a parabola. What is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? Ax squared plus bx plus c. A is non-zero real number. A, B, C are real numbers. A is non-zero real number. See, the graph of this polynomial, this quadratic polynomial, it is touching x-axis at 2 points. What is quadratic polynomial? It's a parabola intersecting x-axis at most 2 points. Maximum number of points are 2. It will intersect x-axis at 2 points, or it will touch at 1 point, or does not intersect x-axis at anywhere. See, in this graph, y-axis, this graph parabola is not touching x-axis at anywhere. Here it is touching at 2 points, because discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it will touch, it will have quadratic polynomial will have 2 zeros, they are unequal and they are real numbers. Intersect x-axis, touch x-axis at 2 points a and b. This is upwards. If a is greater than 0, in ax square plus bx plus c, if a is greater than 0, the graph will be, parabola will be upwards. If a is less than 0, this will be downwards. And this, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, discriminant is 0, then the graph of the parabola, quadratic polynomial, touch x-axis at only 1 point. If a is greater than 0, this parabola is like this, upwards. If a is less than 0, the parabola will touch x-axis at only 1 point, that will be downwards, because b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the zeros are imaginary numbers. That's why the graph of parabola does not touch x-axis at anywhere. It is, if a is greater than 0, it will be upwards. If a is less than 0, it will be downwards. Remember, quadratic polynomial, parabola intersecting x-axis at most 2 points. It will cut at 2 points if b square minus 4 is greater than 0. If b square minus 4 is equal to 0, it will touch at only 1 point. B square minus 4 is less than 0, discriminant is less than 0, then it does not touch x-axis at any way. This is cubic polynomial. What is the standard form of cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is non-zero real number. A, B, C, D, B, C, D are real numbers. Graph of cubic polynomial intersect x-axis at most 3 points. It will touch at most 3 points, means it will touch at 3 points, 2 points, and definitely it will touch x-axis at even at 1 point. You should remember. But quadratic polynomial will touch x-axis at most 2 points. It may touch at 2 points, 1 point, or it does not touch x-axis at anywhere. But cubic polynomial will definitely touch x-axis at 1 point, 2 points, or 3 points, like this. Intersecting x-axis at 3 points. You see, I will take this example. P of x is equal to x cube minus 4x. It is touching x-axis at 3 points, minus 2 0 0 0 2 0. The graph will be like this, and intersecting x-axis at 2 points, p of x equal to x cube minus 4x square touching x-axis, this cubic polynomial touching x-axis at 2 points. Now this the graph of p of x equal to x cube touching x-axis at only 1 point, like this. Next we will draw the graph of linear polynomial. Now drawing the graph of linear polynomial, p of x equal to ax plus b is the standard form. A is not equal to 0, A is non-zero real number. P of example I am taking p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. First you have to find the solution set. Say what, how to find the solution set? You take on x-axis, you take x coordinate and y coordinate, means p of x. What is x? You take 0, 1, 2, you take minus 1, minus 2. If you take 0, you substitute 0 here. 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, like that. Substitute 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Substitute 2, 2 to 4, 4 plus 3, 7. You substitute minus 1, minus 2 plus 3, 1, like that. You substitute minus 2, minus 4 plus 3. If you substitute minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Like that, you see, you find the solution set. Minus 2, minus, x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 5, and 2, 7, like that. Now with the help of solution set, we have to plot the points and draw the graph. Minus 2, minus 1. Where is minus 2, minus 1? Minus 2, minus 1 will be here. This is minus 2, minus 1. This point A. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 will be here. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. This is point B. Next, 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? 0 on x-axis. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. 0, 3. This point C. Next, 1, 5. Where is 1? 1, 5 will be here. 1, 5. The point D. Next, 2, 7. 2 and 2, 7 is here. 2, 7. This point E. Now we will draw the graph passing through these points. A, B, C, D. You draw a graph. You draw a straight line. It is a straight line going, it is endless. It is a straight line, endless. It is going like this. If you take more points, more x coordinates, it will go like this. Now, this is a straight line touching x-axis, intersecting x-axis at one point. Where is the? It is intersecting x-axis at only one point because it is a linear polynomial. Where does it touch x-axis? It is touching x-axis at minus 1.50. This point will be minus 1.50. Means minus 1.5 means 15 by 10, 0 means 5 3s are 5 2s are minus 3 by 2, 0. Intersecting x-axis at one point, that is minus 3 by 2, 0, and y-axis at 0, 3. You observe this, y is equal to 2x plus 3. It touching y-axis at 0, 3. If it is 2x minus 3, it will touch y-axis at 0 minus 3. It will touch here. If it is p of x is equal to x minus 3. It touches y axis at 0 minus 3. Like that, you have to plot the points, draw the graph. Now, quadratic polynomial. Drawing quadratic polynomial. I have taken one example. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. First, we have to find the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is a here? A is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 6. Minus 1 whole square, b is minus 1, minus 1 whole square, minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 6. You got 1 plus 24. 1 plus minus to minus plus 24. 25 is greater than 0. Means positive. Greater than 25 is a positive, greater than 0. Zeros are real and unequal. First, next we have to find the zeros algebraically. What is the zero polynomial? It is the value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. You equate to 0 and find the zeros of the polynomial. You got x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, 1 of the zeros, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. We find, factorize and find the zeros. The zeros are, you know, b square minus 4 is 4ac greater than 0. Then zeros are real and unequal. They are real numbers and unequal to each other. Then we can draw the rough graph. This x 0. What is 3 means? 0 of the point 0, 3, 0. And it is intersecting x-axis at 3, 0 and minus 2, 0. We have to draw the rough graph like it is a parabola intersecting x-axis at minus 2, 0. This is minus 2, 0 and 3, 0 it will be here. You have to draw the graph, rough graph like this, so that you will have an idea about how to draw the plot, draw the graph. Now you see, x coordinate you take, this is the quadratic polynomial you have. You take x coordinate 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Substitute minus 2 here, minus 2, if you substitute minus 2 in place of x, minus 2 square minus 2, x minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2 square means 4, minus 2 minus plus 2, minus 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Anyway, if you substitute 3, you will get 0. If you substitute x coordinate minus 2, you will get 0. You got minus 2, 0. You substitute minus 3, you are getting 6. Minus 1 you substitute, you are getting minus 4. You substitute 0, you are getting minus 6. You substitute 1, you are getting minus 6. Substitute 2, you got minus 4 like this. If you substitute 3, you are getting 0, because if you substitute 3 and minus 2, definitely you will get 0, because they are the zeros of the polynomial. Next, we have to write the solution set. Minus 3, 6, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 6, 1, minus 6, 2, minus 4, 3, 0. Like that, you have to write the solution set and we can draw the graph by plotting the points. Now, what is our solution set? Minus 3, 6, minus 2, 0. Where is minus 3, 6? Minus 3, 6 will be here. Minus 3, 6. It's point A, minus 3, 6. Next, minus 2, 0. Because minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, this is minus 2, 0. This is point B. This is minus 2, 0. Then next, minus 1, minus 4. Where is minus 1, minus 4? Minus 1 will be here, minus 4. This is point C. Minus 1, minus 4. Next, 0, 6. Where is 0, 6? 0 on x-axis, it is 0. Minus 6 means downwards. 6 means upwards. 0, minus 6. this is 0 minus 6. This point will be A, B, C, and this is D. Next, 1 minus 6. Where is 1 minus 6? 1 minus 6 will be here only. E, 1 minus 6. Point E will be 1 minus 6. Next, 2 minus 4. Where is 2 minus 4? 2 minus 4 will be here. 2 minus 4. E, this is point D, and this point is F. This point is D, and this point will be E, point F. Then 3, 0. 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, that's why 3, this is 3, 0. This point will be G. And you have to draw the graph passing through these points. You know already this is a parabola. We drew the rough graph. Passing through these points, you have to A, B, C, D. Here point is E is here. It should be like this. You have to draw like this. And next F. Next you extend. It is passing through 3, 0, G, and you extend like this and put arrow mark. It is going like this, and also like this. It is a parabola intersecting x-axis at 2 points. They are -2, 0 and 3, 0. What are the zeros of the polynomial? Zeros are -2 and 3. Like that, you have to find the zeros of the polynomial by drawing the graph. This is a parabola. Okay, next we will go to another graph. Now, drawing the graph of quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. I have taken second example, p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. First we have to find the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. A is 1, b is minus 4, c is 4. B means minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into A is 1, C is 4. So I have substituted minus 4 square means 16, 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 16, 0. Therefore, if B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, then zeros are real and equal. It will have only one 0, even though it is a quadratic polynomial. See, next we will find the zeros of the polynomial. It is nothing but the value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. I wrote x square minus 4x plus 4 I wrote as x minus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. I wrote it is in the form of x minus 2 whole square. See, p of x is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Only one 0 we have, that is x is equal to 2, intersecting x-axis at 2, 0. Because b square minus 4ac we got 0. Zeros are real and equal zeros. The graph of this parabola touching x-axis at only one point, that is 2, 0. Next we will draw the graph of this polynomial. See, first I will take 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2 x coordinate. I will take 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2 like this. First you substitute minus 2 here. You can substitute in this polynomial or here also you can find out. See, if you substitute minus 2, minus 4 whole square, 16. And substitute minus 1, x in place of x you substitute minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square, 9. You substitute 0 minus 2 square, 4. You substitute 1 minus 2 minus 1 square means 1. You substitute 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 square means 0. Because 2 is the 0 polynomial, you will get p of x automatically 0. You substitute 3. In place of x, you substitute 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 square means 1. You write solution set. Minus 2, minus 2, 60, minus 1, 9, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1. You write solution set minus 2, 16, minus 1, 9, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0 and 3, 1. Plot the points and draw the graph. Minus scale. Now scale, you take x-axis 1 centimeter and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, 1 centimeter 1 unit in on x-axis. It depends on taking x coordinates and y coordinates, depends on x coordinates and y coordinates. Y coordinates will be 16, 9 means that I have taken 2 units. 1 centimeter I have taken 2 centimeters. Now we will plot the points. Minus 2, 16. Minus 2, 16 will be here. Minus 2, 16. This is point A. Minus 2, 16. This minus 1, 9. Where is minus 1, 9? Will be between here. Minus 1, 9. This is point B. 0, 4. Where is 0, 4? 0, 4 will be here. Point C. 0, 4. This point will be 0, 4. Next, 1, 1. Where is 1? 1, this is 2. 1, 1 means here. D. This is point D. 1, 1. 2, 0. Where is 2, 0? 2, 0 will be here. Point E. 2, 0. And 3, 1. 3, 1 will be here only. 3, 1. This point F. We have to draw the graph passing through these points A, B, C, D, E, F. The parabola shape should be like this and extend the parabola, this graph, and here also you extend like this. This is the you can extend like this. This is parabola intersecting x-axis at 2, 0. What is a 0 polynomial? 0. Question will be like this. Draw the graph and find the zeros of the polynomial. X square minus 4x, x square minus 4x plus 4. 0 polynomial will be, polynomial is 0 polynomial is x is equal to 2.